Scott Ingram in the 60 car.
Thank you, Eric. Scott Ingram, and then rounding out in the 28, it's Garrett Braden. We're going racing. They come, green flag, and we're racing.
Kyle Rush and Schinderling, 1 and 2 in your points. Schinderling only 13 points behind Kyle Rush in that 51 car. And we have a caution as the number 60 car having some problems in turn number 2. Scott Ingram out of Morris, Illinois.
So his home track would be Grundy County. So another driver making his trip all the way from Grundy County. Thank you for coming out here, fan. As they're going to pick up speed and do it again. They come. Green flag, and we're racing.
Schinderling second in the points, only 13 down from the leader. Lounsbury only 9 down from Schinderling.
As the battle for the lead ensues, it's Schinderling by a full car now. Rushes back. It's a half a car lead for Schinderling as Andrus goes way on the outside. Here comes Bauer, passing Andrus. Wild Child looking to make a move, trying to go in the middle, trying to make it 3 wide. He's trying real hard as the battle for first continues.
And then there's the huge mess in the middle between second, third, and fourth. Rush, Andrus, Bowler, all right in there.
Maybe there's a bonus for second, Eric. Maybe that's why they're doing that.
Like you talked about, points. It's all about points. Long season, but we're about the halfway point.
As Rush is squeezing up into second, Andrus trying to hold on. Bauer looking to challenge Andrus, as Schneider's just waiting to try to squeeze in the middle.
All top 5 of those cars, your points leaders in the top 5 currently right now.
With 3 laps to go, it's Schinderling, Rush, Bauer, Andrus, Schneider, and Braden. With 2 to go, will Schinderling hold him off? As rowdy Kyle Rush wants to make a move here. As the bleed for the points is right here in first and second. Here comes Andrus to try to break up the monotony in the 83 car. We could have a photo finish for second place as Schinderling is hanging on for dear life. Oh, here we go. Who's it going to be for second? It's going to be Andrus in second, Rush in third, Schneider in fourth, Bauer in fifth, Braden in sixth. Wow. That might change some stuff up.
Schinderling has 2 top qualifiers, 2 heat winners, and a dash winner. Was only 13 points behind the 51 of Kyle Rush with 262 points currently.
Once again, the Knights of Columbus are doing a 50-50 raffle. Make sure you get your 50-50 raffle tickets